This is the TobenONE USB-C docking station, which comes with a whole bunch of different ports to connect to your laptop or your MacBook. Starting up with the front here, we have a nice dedicated power button, a little LED indicator. We have two USB-Cs letting you know that one is for USB 3.0 and one has an output of 18 watts of power delivery. We have a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have three USB-As, with the first two having speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, and one of them is going to be USB 2.0. We have a TF card reader, and we also have an SD card reader, which is really nice. Now this has a nice little silver aluminum feel to it. It feels really nice and premium. And right in the back we have all of our connection ports, and this is what's going to connect to the actual host. So right in the bottom right we have the host connection. It's going to be a USB-C. This is going to be connected to your laptop or MacBook. We have an Ethernet jack, which is really nice. We have a whole bunch of different ports here. Now it's important to note that you're going to have this sticker here letting you know to download and install a specific software called DisplayLink so that you can use it to mirror your screen to multiple devices. Now removing that, we get a really good amount of inputs here. We have we have 4 HDMI ports, and we also have 2 display ports. We have an additional USB 2.0, and we have the DC power input as well. And on the bottom we have rubber feet here, which makes it nice and stable on top of your desk. Now inside the box you're gonna get a pretty hefty 120 watt power adapter, which is really great, giving you enough power to power all of those ports. You also get a USB-C cable, and finally you get a quick start guide explaining all of the features and how to use this docking station. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's going on here. So I have the USB docking station right over here with the power adapter connected. And the USB-C connected to my MacBook Pro. Now this is the M3 version. It is connected to the back. Let's go ahead and see the back right over here. So we have the USB-C connected to the host. We have the power adapter, and I'm also using 2 HDMI cables here. One in HDMI 1 and then the other one in HDMI 3. Now it's important to note that this MacBook Pro, the M3 version, only supports one display. However, as you can see here, I have 2 displays that are connected to my MacBook Pro using this USB-C docking station, which is amazing. So as you can see here, I have my ultra wide on top. We got the main display on the MacBook, and then I also have a portable monitor which has 4K resolution. So we can look here in the Mac here how the displays are arranged here. Let me go ahead and bring the mouse here. So we can see here that each of these displays are correctly identified. You know, we have the ultra wide, we have the built-in display, and we have the portable monitor here, and you can see that this supports all the way up to 4K on that portable monitor. Now it's important to understand that when you look at the quick start guide here, it lets you know that for MacBook you can have up to triple display, and for Windows you can have up to a quad display, and it lets you know which each of these HDMI slots on the display 1, 2, and 3, letting you know what is the maximum resolution here. So obviously using HDMI 3 and HDMI 4 will give me 4K 60 Hertz, which this is a 4K monitor. So if I use this HDMI on 1 or 2, then it would not do 4K, it would only do 2K resolution, whereas the 3 and 4 has the 4K 60 Hertz. And you could also arrange them as well, however you see fit. As you can see here, I have my MacBook display right in the center, I have the portable monitor on the left, and then I have the ultra wide on the right. So if I move my cursor to the right, you'll notice the cursor now is on my ultra wide here, so I can start zooming up and down. And like I said, I have the M3, and you can even see here that it says that it only supports one display, but as you can see, using this docking station you can have an additional one, which is awesome. Now the way that works is, I'm going to take it right over here, is it uses the DisplayLink Manager software, which is a software that you need to install. The quick start guide has instructions on exactly how to install it, because once you install it, basically uses a screen record feature that allows the software and the docking station to kind of output to an additional monitor source, which makes it possible to use additional monitors, which makes this a really good solution. And what I love about this is that when all said and done, you have all of these additional ports here for any type of USBs, USB-Cs, SD cards, making this an awesome way to transform your laptop into basically a full-blown PC experience. So right here my PC, obviously it's a very large PC, and it has all of the ports in the back, but this simple USB-C docking stations makes it possible for me to use so many different inputs and devices. So if you guys are looking for a great USB-C docking station that gives you so many ports and options, then I highly recommend the TobenONE USB-C docking station. Highly recommend them, guys. Make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Firewolf out.